Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will review Chevron Techron Fuel System Cleaner. This powerful additive is designed to clean your engine's vital components. It works by removing harmful deposits from fuel injectors, carburetors, and intake valves. By doing so, it helps restore lost engine power and can even improve your vehicle's fuel economy. It's a simple way to maintain your engine's health. Using Techron is straightforward. For best results, add 1 full bottle to your vehicle's nearly empty fuel tank. After adding the cleaner, fill your tank with up to 21 gallons of gasoline. It's recommended to use this product every 3,000 miles or at each oil change interval to maintain optimal engine performance. Avoid using it more often than advised. Beyond cleaning, Techron offers several key benefits. It can help your vehicle pass emissions tests by reducing harmful exhaust. Furthermore, it provides protection against the corrosive effects of ethanol, which is present in many modern fuels. Consistent use helps maintain your engine's overall efficiency and longevity. Always consider your vehicle's specific fuel tank capacity when adding additives. In conclusion, Chevron Techron Fuel System Cleaner is a reliable product safe for all gasoline engines, including those with capless fuel systems. Following the simple directions ensures you get the best results, helping to keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. For more great deals, including leak-proof containers to make meal prep easy, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.